Hi everyone, welcome to Park Maths. In this video I'm going to solve this nice simplification math problem. Now to solve this question properly, first we will write solution and then we will rewrite this question in the solution again. So the question is 3 raised to power 12 minus 3 raised to power 11 minus 3 raised to power 10. First of all, we can write the powers of 3 as is equal to, we can write 12 as 10 plus 2 minus 3 raised to power, we can write 11 as 10 plus 1 minus, and 3 raised to power 10 will be the same. Now here in these two terms we will use a famous exponential math property to split the powers on the base. So here we will use this exponential math property. A raised to power m plus n can also be written as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So by using this exponential property in these two terms, this equation will become is equal to, it will become 3 raised to power 10 times 3 raised to power 2 minus the second term will become 3 raised to power 10 times 3 raised to power 1 minus, and this term will be the same. Now my dears, look into all the terms. In all the terms 3 raised to power 10 is common. So let us take 3 raised to power 10 common from all terms. So it will become is equal to 3 raised to power 10. Here 3 raised to power 2 will be left minus, here only 3 raised to power 1 is left, which is only 3 minus, and here only 1 is left. So let us further simplify the numbers inside the parenthesis. 3 raised to power 10 times 3 square is 9 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So it will become 3 raised to power 10 times 9 minus 4 is 5. Now we can further write 3 raised to power 10 as 3 raised to power 10 can be written as 5 times 2 times 5. Now here we further write 3 raised to power 5 times 2 as, by using exponential formula, 3 raised to power 5 whole raised to power 2 times 5. Now here first we will find the value of 3 raised to power 5. Therefore the value of 3 raised to power 5 is 3 raised to power 5 means we need to multiply 3 5 times. So by multiplying 3 5 times we will get 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81, and 81 times 3 is 3 times 1 is 3, and 8 times 3 is 24. So 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 243. So let's replace its value in this equation. So it will become 243 whole square times 5. Now there are two different approaches to solve this question further. The first is to simplify this number by multiplying 243 with 243 by ordinary multiplication. And the second approach is to use a formula which is simpler, which is easy to evaluate the value of this. So here I will use an algebraic formula to evaluate the value of 243 square. So first we can write 243 as 200 plus 43 whole square times 5. Now here I will use a plus b whole square formula. So it will become a square, a is 200 and b is 43. So it will become 200 square plus 2 times ab. So a is 200 and b is 43 plus b square which is 43 whole square times 5. So let us simplify the numbers inside the parenthesis. So it will become 200 square is equal to 40,000 plus 200 times 2 is 400 times 43 plus, here we can solve 43 by using in ordinary multiplication by multiplying 43 with 43. But here again I will use in algebraic formula to solve it. So we can write 43 as 40 plus 3 whole square times 5. So let us further simplify this equation. 40,000 plus, now 43 times 0 is 0, 43 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 4 is 12, 2, 1 will be carried, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, so it is 17,200 plus, and here we will use a plus b whole square formula, so 40,000, so it will become 40 square plus 2 times ab, so a is 40 and b is 3 plus b square, which is 3 square times 5. So further this equation will become 40,000 plus 17,200 plus it will become 1600 plus 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 0 is 0 and 6 times 4 is 24 plus, and 3 square is equal to 9 times 5. Now let us add these three numbers. So 9 plus 0 is 9 and 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 6 is 8 and 1. So by adding these three numbers we will get 1849. Now let us add this number with these two numbers. So it will become 9 plus 0 is 9, 4 plus 0 is 4, 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 0 is 10. So 10, 0, 1 will be carried to the next number. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9 and next is 1 plus 4, that is 5 times 5. Now we will do the further steps here. The last equation is equal to 59,049 times 5. Now here we need to multiply these two numbers. So again we can multiply these two numbers by in ordinary multiplication. But here I will use another trick to multiply these two numbers. That is very simple. We will write 59,049 as the same, and we can write 5 as 10 divided by 2. So here I will first multiply this 10 with this number. So by multiplying 10 with this number we will get 59,000 and we will write this 2 in the denominator. Now the division is very simple. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 will become here, it will become 19. 2 times 9 is 18, 1 will become here, it will become 10. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 1 will become here, so it will become 2 times 5 is 10. So by dividing this number with 2 we will get is equal to 295,245. So this is our final answer of this nice simplification math problem. And last, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for such a more interesting math videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.